What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well, I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I hope you guys are keeping safe. This video is about a stability update guys. I know 7.55 has been out for quite some time now and there's been a lot of updates going on. So SG has been making updates in the background guys, and this update is making things much faster. By the way guys, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and drop a subscribe because I have a few stability videos lined up and multiple different tutorials coming out as well, so you don't want to miss it. Alright guys, moving on for this particular video. So as mentioned guys, SG has been updating his code for the Webkit exploit, and now this particular update is now being adopted by all the different hosts here. So this particular update makes things much faster and is making time come to the perspective over here. And of course guys, I want to go and test it out. I'm going to go and try it out in 2 or 3 different hosts. So let's go check it out, and I'm going to mention which all particular hosts have it. Alright guys, here we are. I'm back in my PS4 right now. I'm going to go and log in. And I do have a horde of accounts over here, so I'm just going to go for Sam. I'm going to stick with that. Alright, so the first thing, as always guys, go ahead and clear your cookies and cache. Delete cookies and cache because that's very important before you try a new host or update your host. So I'm just going to do that twice. Alright, let's go back out. Alright guys, so I'm going to go and try a NightKing's host, and in order to do that, I'm going to make sure I'm connected to the network. I am. Alright, so let's go to the web browser. So as you can see, you only have 5.05 Lite version, 6.7, and 7.02. For the 7.5X versions, you have 3 different versions as V1, V2, V3. And guys, I'm going to make a video about it, and I'm going to cover all of these things in a separate video just for NightKing host maybe later. But for now, I'm going to go for version 3. I'm going to click that. So here we go guys, we have the old exploit, the new exploit, the online exploit, and the auto exploit. Alright, so we have the new exploit. This is the one that's been updated now guys, so go ahead and click it. Let the offline cache install. Alright, so cache is installed. Let's turn off the internet and try again. So alright, so here we go guys, and we're going to go ahead and run GoldHEN version 1.1. Let's go for this and let's see how long this one takes. Okay, 1 error. Alright, looks like it's going through on the second attempt. Alright guys, there you go. PS4 Jailbreak loaded, excellent. Launching payload. GoldHEN version 1.1 is loaded, excellent. So I'm going to go to settings. You should be able to see that I am jailbroken. Great. And that was fairly quick guys, and it's pretty quick too. So alright, so I'm going to go and restart and let's move on to the next host and just try out a few different hosts over here. And yep, alright, let's go. Okay guys, so here we are. That's going to be GamerHack this time. Alright guys, so this is GamerHack's website. It's installing the offline cache, so let's just wait for that to finish. The cache is installed. Now close and reopen your browser. We're going to do that. We're going to go ahead and switch off the internet again. Okay, so back in the browser. GoldHEN version 1.1, let's go and click that. Let's see how this one loads up. Alright, 1 system error, 2 errors. Okay, looks like something is happening in the 3rd attempt. Okay, it's taking a little bit of time over here. Okay, the controller stopped responding right now. I cannot move this anymore. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm trying to move these, but nothing is happening. The PS4 is literally frozen. Okay, well, my joystick is disconnected. I might have to force restart my PS4. This did not go well. Alright guys, moving on to the next host. So guys, I had to pull the plug, and you know what that means. Have to go through this ugly screen. And anyway, we're going to try the next host guys. So we're going to go and try SonysNightmare. So I'm going to go and try this out. I haven't really tried this out before guys. So SonysNightmare is for the first time I'm trying it out. Let's just see how this one turns out. Sony's, pretty interesting name though. Nightmare for Sony. Alright, so we have Pareto, GoldHEN 1.1, Pareto, HEN 2.1.3 beta, and GoldHEN 1.0. So we're going to go for 1.1. So I'm going to try out. So let's go and click it. So there's no caching involved over here. It's directly an online host. So it's going to load the exploit straight off. Alright guys, we have the pirate's face loading up too. It is taking an unusually long time. Okay, 1 system error. I think it does take a lot more time just to load the image and this particular page before the exploit can run. I did notice the exploit just starts running over here. A little different way it's done, unless you have really fast Wi-Fi right now. It shouldn't be an issue, but yeah, it does take an extra step of loading all of these things extra. So not really a big fan of that. As you can see, his beard is not completely loaded yet. Might have to wait for that before the exploit starts loading. Okay, so something is happening here. The beard's fully loaded. Yeah, interesting. I'm pretty sure that means jailbreak failed. Okay, well, let's hope I don't have a kernel panic. Just click on OK and quit this. Nope, I had a kernel panic. That's bad. Alright guys, moving on to the final host. So here we're back again after a kernel panic, which is not so good to endure, of course. So I'm going to go back to settings, connect to the network. And the last one I'm going to try out, guys, is actually DarkModder, because he has updated to the latest exploit. He's updated the latest Webkit exploit as well. So I'm going to go and clear my cookies and cache. There you go, guys. It actually understands which firmware you're on and actually starts caching the page. So I'm going to go and let it cache, and let's hope we have a good experience in this one. Alright, so turn off the internet, reopen the page to run the exploit. So let's do that. Settings, network, disconnect from the internet. Alright, so one error. Alright, so second attempt, it looks like it's going through. Waiting for it to go past 54%. Pretty sweet, guys. Looks like it went through on the second attempt. Okay, so here we have the old exploit and the new exploit. So this is the one that's most probably the new exploit. So I'll have to run this first and then run GoldHEN. So let's hope this one goes through, because I did have some kernel panics way back in the past. And wow, that was actually really fast, guys. Jailbreak complete. So just now I can choose Mira, GoldHEN 1 version 1.0 or version 1.1. So I'm going to choose 1.1, and that should load up here instantly. And there we go. That was pretty straightforward, guys. Not bad at all. There we go. Good to go. Just check if you're jailbroken. And yes, we are. Alright guys, so that was pretty much the video. There is a new update going on as mentioned by SG, and this is the host that actually has it updated. So go check them out and let me know what experience you're having here. And I am going to be dropping a lot more videos. So I'm going to be talking about GoldHEN version 1.0 versus 1.1 versus 1.1b, and we're going to see all the differences over there. Plus I'm going to talk about the different categories in NightKing's host as well, and a lot of other ideas I'm planning to do. I'm also going to make a video about save mounter, guys, and let me know in the comments if you want me to go and cover a certain topic, and I will be looking into that shortly, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, go ahead and drop it a like, drop a subscribe, and drop me a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy gaming, guys, and cheers.